Get back! Yung reverse na wala. And you know, once again, we've seen this.
Tingnan mo, nakikita sa ginawa niya eh.
Roger Yap missing. James Yap the putback. And yun, 2 Yaps are better than 1.
Right.
Pero on the other end, si Homers alam mo, he has a tendency, kaya niya dalhin yung bola, but he has to give it up earlier eh. Ilang beses na nakita natin in the past few games na ganun yun eh.
Yung finish ang kulang eh, no? Ito ba eh?
At saka alam niya all the way he was going to pass it off. Sana binigay na niya earlier. But here's Ranidel. Sabi niya okay lang. I get a TM3. So, TM3, pangalawa na. Ni Ranidel De Ocampo and the Air 21 grabbing back the upper hand 13-12.
Sometimes yung pride eh, mas magandang motivational factor yan eh, para sa isang team. At yun nga nangyari sa Air 21 eh. Nothing but pride at stake.
Kirby Smith, but Rolimi gets it. All alone underneath against several purple shirts. Foul downstairs. Sabi ng ating referee na si Jess Ferrer. He's calling the shots together with Patrick Canizares and Tronky Aldaba.
Ranidel De Ocampo will be charged with a foul.
Love pass to James Yap. He's able to get it. At talagang nawala yung depensa doon.
Yung ball control nun, no? Ang problema lang doon eh, paano sasaluhin ni James Yap eh. But once nakuha niya yung bola, alam na yung gagawin niya eh.
And Gary David had his back to the passer. Hindi niya nakita. David wanted to get it back, ngunit mintis ang kanyang 3-point attempt. So Purefoot a chance to build on their 1-point lead. Raimundo off the glass.
At that time he was up against the shorter David. Eh, binali pa nga ni Kirby yan eh. Kahit naman maliit si David, kaya na David sabayan sa talon nito si Kirby Raimundo.
Homer said. Hanap ng kakampi. Cross-court pass. Almost goes away, but De Ocampo takes a 3 instead. It's long.
Hindi anticipated ni De Ocampo na ibibigay sa kanya ng ganun eh.
Here's James Yap. Step back. Jumper. Wala yan. On the rebound, nakuha pa ni Kirby Raimundo. But eventually, Thomas clears.
Let's see what's
It's a 3-on-1. He wanted to dunk it, but he misses.
Wow.
Ito Purefoot, umatake na. Ito Jonathan Salvador going against the smaller guy. David losing his chance to get it back, but Thomas swats it away. There's a timeout on the floor. Air 21 Express calls it. They're down by 3 with 4:55 remaining. Homer said the sorry miss on the slam.